Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about having clause in SQL statement. Having clause is a very similar to group by, whereas a slight differences between these two. Having clause is a set of conditions which is not covered by group by. Group by, what it will do category wise, it will grouping the data on basis on the category what we have specified on the columns. Whereas having will do by using the having clause to apply a new condition which we require to filter the data within the group itself. All right. Now see here, whereas where also we can apply like where to filter the data, and here where clause sets the conditions for individual data rows before applying for the group by. All right, and having will applicable after applying the group by. The data will be filtered within the group by clause data and filter it, and it will send you as an output after the satisfaction of the having clause. All right, we'll see a simple example with this group by id. With the data what we have seen here, it is in a like order id of some of the order, and group wise we are ordering. The last example we have seen like a group wise order sets came here, and some of the quantity we have calculated very clearly. Now here my requirement is on the sum of the quantity that should be greater than 100 I require. Here it's showing that many categories are showing here, as till now we have seen 37, 22, and many of this, and around 200 and all the things. Now what my requirement is, having sum of the quantity is greater than, yep, okay, I'll type here sum with the parenthesis, a quantity is greater than 100. Now execute this statement. See here the query is returned around all about 140 records. Now the sum quantity it's showing above 100. So ordered group by is come with order id. Based on order id, it's a grouping the records. And the result set on the group id, it's a sum. The quantity is totaling here. And now having we have applied, what is my condition is here. My requirement is that sum of the quantity which is an above 100 only I require. Now see the result set, whichever the group id on category you take it, it should be displayed above 100 only. Now see here almost 195, 228, above 100 only it's showing. And also similarly you change that particular greater than to less than, you will get query result below 100 only. See how it's beauty and pretty easy. By applying simple having condition with the help of these conditions, like see having and sum, this is the parameter I have passed with the function aggregate function over here, and I'm using the conditions like less than, greater than, not equal to, whatever it. You can mention what you are having. We have discussed on operators. That operators, you multiple operators you apply here and check the results with the multiple way. That is a very pretty easy to using having condition, like a having with condition in SQL statements. That's all for this session. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.